Hi friends, in today's video we will be seeing the leaked images of Sony A7S3 mirrorless camera along with its leaked specification. Let's not waste time and let's get started. Hi friends, with so many things happening around with COVID-19, July seems to be the best month for camera lovers. We saw companies like Canon, Blackmagic, Nikon announce their new camera lineups. Now it's time for Sony to shed some light on their upcoming new camera. Sony has announced that it would be having an event on 28th of July to showcase its new mirrorless camera, Sony A7S3. We have been hearing a lot of rumors and leaks about Sony's most exciting A7S3 lineup. Today, sonyalpharumours have leaked the first images of Sony A7S3 camera, and the camera looks pretty much more or less similar to A7R4. With this image, looks like Sony has finally made a flip screen. Also, you can notice that the video record button has been moved to the top of the camera. Thanks to sonyalpharumours for leaked images, and here is the complete list of leaked specification. Well, how excited are you about Sony's A7S3 camera? Do let us know your opinion in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a like and share this video. If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to our itech channel. For more tech videos, keep watching itech. Thank you and stay safe.